Good morning everyone. It is incredibly early right now. The time is 5:37 and I am up to try something I've never done before, which is stand-up paddleboarding. So there is a stand-up paddleboarding experience not far from where I'm staying. So at the other end of this bay down here, I'll show you. Just right at the other end of that bay over there, there's a couple that take people out and stand-up paddleboards. Never done it before, so I'd give you a little induction phase at the start, which could be quite comical. But yeah, really looking forward to it. We head out to an island called Isola di Figuerola, and yeah, there's a potential we may see some dolphins. So that is the island out in the distance that I think we're going to be paddling out to. And apparently there's a pod of dolphins that live in between here and there. So I'm very grateful that the wind has died down from the last couple of days. It's been really windy, but it's perfectly still this morning. It's beautiful. And that's Isola di Figuerola we'll be swimming out to. And yeah, there's another couple that have just showed up, and then there's a paddleboarding guys down here. So let's see what's in store. I'm really excited.
When we use the board like a kayak in sit down position or knees position, or we stand up, we stay in this line with knees or feet in the same line of the hand, not here, here, or like this. Okay.
So we've just had our first spot of some dolphins. We've been going like 10 minutes. Managed to get a feel for the motion now. But yeah, after as soon as you stand up for the first time, your knees are kind of shaking like mad, just because they're trying to find the balance. But after a while, it's really, you get a bit of emotion and you just relax into it. It's really nice. Could definitely get into it. But yeah, we're just looking out now because we spotted some dolphins. Just seen a few dolphins down here. That's where they catch all the fish, so there's quite a few floating around. So we've just spotted some more dolphins, and it's really hard to kind of film with the GoPro whilst I'm stood up because you're focusing on your balance so much. If I drop down and grab my camera, I'm going back in the drink. But oh look, there's one there. So the trick is you've got to get a bit of speed up whilst you're kneeling, enough so that you can kind of propel yourself onto your feet. It's nice and easy. birds on the island. We stopped for a breakfast and now we're carrying on just around the island a little bit and then heading to a beach, Cala Maresca, which is over there I believe. But yeah, it's nice and calm. Yeah, it won't be the last. I'll definitely be back.
I mean, usually when you come one time, then
Yeah,
you come back.
definitely. Yeah, that boat just went past, so there's some. Oh, check these out. Riding the waves. Woo. Oh boy. Let's have a look what's going on under the water. Can think of a lot worse ways to spend your mornings. Yeah, this is beautiful. So this is Cala Maresca.
Looks like a muffin.
So I think we're heading back now. Yeah, what an experience. Only caught a glimpse of some dolphins, but the tour guide has some drone footage where he got to see them better. So I'll put that into the video if I can. Yeah, once it's calm, it's kind of fine. Once those waves come in and swipe you from the side, it's really hard to keep your balance. But yeah, it's getting there.
Guys, have a fun.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, it's awesome. So that was an amazing experience. An awesome way to wake up in the morning anyway. Caught a glimpse of a few dolphins, but yeah, hopefully I've been able to put in some of the footage that Fabio took on the tour. Massive thanks to Fabio, Claudia and Simone who were at Sardinia on board. So if you come out to Sardinia, make sure you book one of these tours. They do sunrise, sunset, and I think they do some through the day as well. It just depends on the time of year that you come. I mean, look, how could you not want to experience stand-up paddleboarding in an area that's so beautiful as this? Yeah, it was challenging, it was tough. Like, you think you've got it, and then all of a sudden you get some waves will come in from a side angle and it really knocks your balance. I feel like I got the hang of it by the end of the session, but it can be deceiving. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you soon.